I'm Rashid Iqbal, Chief Executive of Pakistan Britain Business Council. We have organized this Pakistan Pavilion in DTX, which is Digital Transformational Expo, which is organized in London, London Excel. And this pavilion, Pakistan Tech Pavilion, is the only pavilion in the entire Digital Transformational Expo in London. And what we've done is actually brought in a number of companies from Pakistan, a number of tech companies from Pakistan, to give them exposure to market their products and services, and to provide matchmaking facilities and services. And so a number of companies have actually participated. I believe there are 14 altogether, and but in total there's been a good number of visitors from not just from Pakistan, but as a footfall from the DTX. There's been a great footfall, so there's been a good leads have been generated from this expo. So hopefully the Pakistan tech companies will benefit from this DTX. Thank you.
Hi, this is Alizar Danani. I am the CEO of Skyfit International. We are a holding company. We are providing services for IT such as mobile application development, website development, graphic designing, staff augmentation, cloud automation, and all sort of IT services. We are based in Dubai and in Pakistan. We are heading towards UK and Canada, and inshallah we will be expanding our services in UK soon. And we have few more entities in Dubai and in Canada regarding different trading businesses.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fahad Ali Rajput. I'm a director at Skyfit International. Our back office is based in Karachi, Pakistan, but our headquarters are in UAE. We provide all the basic service, including logos, web design, app development, cloud automation support. We also started medical billing recently. And so far, DTX has been really great for me personally and for business as well. And I would like to thank Pakistani Pavilion for providing me this opportunity to represent my company to DTX and UK market.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ishan Sikandar and I'm here to represent my company ZenCoders. What we do mobile applications, we do AI, chatbots, we do web applications, websites. So we are in the industry for last 5 years. So we are here to exhibit our company, and in this Pakistan Pavilion there are around 10 companies that are exhibiting their services. So as I said, what are the services? Like most of the companies have the similar services, and we are here. We got a lot of support from Pakistan British Council members, PBC, and we got a lot of support from Amar Makhdoom and Pakistan Tech Forum to get this set up here. So we got a lot of leads and a lot of partnership requests from the businesses here in London. So thank you everyone, thank you PBC, and thank you Amar Makhdoom for setting this up.
Hello everyone, my name is Tayyab. I'm the founder and CEO of Red Buffer. We are an AI solutions company that has been building AI solutions for enterprises and technology companies over the past 11 years. This is our first visit and foray into the UK market through the Pakistan Pavilion here at DTX. So far we've gotten a wonderful response and we've gotten to learn a lot more about the market, and we are really grateful to the support that we've gotten from the Pakistan Consulate, from the PBBC, and the organizers here that have helped us set up our pavilion, the Pakistan Pavilion here, and our desk here. And we really look forward to expanding a lot more into the UK market in addition to our work in the US, and really excited about the opportunities this brings to us. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Faz here from Ishano Technologies. We are a software development company from Pakistan, and we are here today promoting our IT staff augmentation services. DTX is a very good event happening here. We have plenty of footfall here, and I think companies from Pakistan need to participate in such events and promote our youth readily available at disposal to work for the world around. And we haven't had any government support, but thanks to PBBC who've been very supportive, Invents Global have been very supportive to us, and we hope to look forward and we look forward to such events in the future.
Okay, so my name is Kamar. I'm founder of Cristiano Technologies. We have actually first time in the UK and exhibiting in Digital Transformation Expo in DTX, and actually we are thankful to PBC who actually help us to organize our Pakistani pavilion, inviting all the companies here, and they are very supportive. We are getting a lot of visitors, good leads as well, and we are actually hopeful to get some good business from this event.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mueed Ahmed and I am the head of digital strategy for eOcean. eOcean is a cloud communication company who helps businesses build chatbot on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and Google Business Messages. We are exhibiting at DTX London. So far the response has been good. We have few potential leads to work on, and I think it's a great initiative by Pakistan Britain Business Council and the Pakistani government to provide subsidized booths for the exhibition, for companies to exhibit, so that they can explore these markets and present their services to the customers and the potential partners over there here. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sayyid Saad Farooq and I'm from ByteCorp Technologies. Basically, we help companies for the digital transformation. कोई भी company है उसको product development करवानी है, artificial intelligence की services चाहिए, या basically if they want to build and scale their technology, this is what we do.
मेरा नाम रियाज रशीद सिद्दीकी है और मैं यहाँ पे DTX में आने से पहले तो 30-35 साल का मेरा अपना तजर्बा है इन टेलीकॉम एंड IT इंडस्ट्री। हम लोग जो है यहाँ पे अपनी सॉफ्टवेयर सोल्यूशन जो पाकिस्तान बेस्ड कंपनी है सेंटेक, उसका मार्केट कर रहे हैं और वी आर लुकिंग फॉर द पार्टनरशिप्स ओवर हेयर। हम लोग जो है ना CRP, ERP और CRM, क्लाउड सर्विसेज और फिनटेक और इस किस्म के सारे सोल्यूशन जो पूरे स्वीट है वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं। इसमें साइबर सिक्योरिटी, कॉल सेंटर एज अ सर्विस, सॉफ्टवेयर एज अ सर्विस, ये मेजर चीज़ें हैं जो हम यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड करते हैं। और यहाँ पे आने से पहले हम लोग कनाडा में मार्केट को एक्सप्लोर किया था और वहाँ पे भी हमने जो है बहुत अच्छी लीड्स मिली। इसके अलावा मोरक्को में भी हमें बहुत अच्छी लीड्स मिली। यहाँ पे आके हमें जो है ना पार्टनरशिप्स की ऑफर्स हुई हैं। ये इवेंट जो है ना हमें बहुत ज़्यादा सूट किया है यहाँ पे, और वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि हम दोबारा यहाँ पे आएँ। इसमें जो है यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान और UK जो कमर्शियल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है PCPP, उसका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान जो है उसको बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट कर रही है। पाकिस्तान हाई कमीशन ने भी हमें काफ़ी इंकरेज किया है और वो लोग भी जो है ना हमें यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। तो हमारा मकसद यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान की प्रोडक्ट्स को और सॉफ्टवेयर्स को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक्सपोर्ट करना चाहिए हमें, और उसको जो है प्रमोट करने के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं और अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र है कि वी आर गेटिंग गुड रिस्पॉन्स आउट ऑफ दिस इवेंट।
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Israr from Center for Advanced Research and Engineering, CARE Private Limited, Islamabad, and we are here at the DTX London. CARE Private Limited यहाँ पर मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की जो हमारी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनको लेकर है, जिसमें कि एंटरप्राइज रिसोर्स प्लानिंग का सॉफ्टवेयर है, उसका सोल्यूशन है हमारे पास, ऑफिस ऑटोमेशन, बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस टूल, वर्चुअल हॉस्पिटल एक हमारा प्रोडक्ट है वो हम लेकर आए हैं, सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट, और ये सारे हमारे AI एनेबल्ड प्रोडक्ट हैं। तो सो फार इट्स गोइंग गुड, देयर आर गुड लीड्स अवेलेबल। PBBC ने बहुत अच्छी अरेंजमेंट्स की है, उन्होंने ये जो प्रोवाइड किया है हमें प्लेटफॉर्म, बहुत अच्छी अरेंजमेंट्स यहाँ पर हैं। सो फार दे हैव बीन वेरी हेल्पिंग, और इसी तरह के प्रोग्राम इन्हें करते रहना चाहिए ताकि जो पाकिस्तानी इंडस्ट्री है उसको बाहर लीड्स मिले, बिजनेस मिले, और डेफिनेट सी बात है कि फॉरेन एक्सचेंज इससे हमारा मिलेगा। और जो हमारे IT पहले ही हमारी फॉरेन एक्सचेंज का एक मेजर सोर्स है, लेकिन यही एक होप भी है कि हमारे फॉरेन एक्सचेंज इससे बेहतर हो जब हमारी कंपनियां यहाँ अपनी प्रोडक्ट्स लेकर आएँ एंड दे शोकेस है So we are jointly here pursuing for our products, and let's hope for the best. And so far the arrangements have been made very good. PBC पहले भी बहुत अच्छे इवेंट्स करवा रहा है, और अब जो है ये भी बहुत अच्छे अरेंजमेंट्स ही है. राशिद इकबाल साहब हैं, उन्होंने बड़ी यहाँ एफर्ट की है इस सारे को ऑर्गेनाइज करने में. सो थैंक यू PBC and looking forward.